Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me find them, and here let's enter the apps and notifications. Then let's scroll down to find special app access, and here in this section we have to find install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it whenever you want to. Just find the app, so for example the Edge one, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Edge is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And the same situation whenever you want to remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it, tap on the switcher to turn it off, and after getting back you can see that the Edge is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.